What's going on, everybody? We back with another one, and in this video I'm just gonna be asking you guys simply, what do y'all want to see me do to this thing, as far as because it does need paint. Like I said, the hood and the roof and the doors at the tops, they need to be painted. The rest of the cab, I mean, it's pretty straight. I mean, there's minor stuff like this here, you know, dents and stuff on, well, not dents, but paint chips all over it. Truck's 26 years old. So I mean, you know, it's gonna have those kind of things. But what I'm getting at is, would y'all want to see me sand this stuff down and then paint it using spray paint? Would y'all want to see something like that, or would you rather me take it to like an auto body shop and have them do it? I know I like doing a lot of my stuff, like customizations myself. I can actually get this paint from Amazon in a rattle can. So what I was thinking about doing is this weekend is basically sanding this old stuff down, getting a good surface, getting some primer on there, same thing on the hood and the top of the doors, and spray painting this thing. Because like I said, the rest of the body, I mean, it's pretty clean. I mean, it's not bad. And then this piece here that's under the grill that I had to use off the Suburban, that's another piece that I have to be painted. But what do you guys want to see? Y'all rather, like I said, me paint it with spray paint, rattle cans? It would be the original GM paint code, or would you rather me take it to a body shop? And I don't know if you guys can tell, but check those puppies out. My phone will focus. We got the chrome door handles. I went back to the salvage yard and was like, dude, I gotta grab them. I mean, because they're in like great shape, not wore out or anything like that, so I couldn't pass up on it. But yeah, what would y'all rather see? Because I mean, I feel like I could spray paint it. I could pull both of the trucks out from underneath the shed and spray paint it in there. Dang, my tag lights aren't working. That's no good. No bueno, no bueno. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I just wanted to get a couple videos of this thing, dude. Like, it's from 97, and I mean, as long as it's set, the paint still looks great from this point down. But yeah, I mean, it's been running good. I've been taking it out every, when I get off of work and driving it around. I don't know why that headlight's sticking so far out, but that's a chore for another day. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. What do y'all want to see? Would you rather, like I said, a DIY kind of paint job, or taking it to a shop? I feel like taking it to a shop is going to be a little bit pricey, because I did get a quote on the cat eye and the guy was on like $3,000. So what I would have to do if I painted this myself is I'd have to paint this, try to blend it as best I could, clear coat it. Then I'd have to go behind it with like a polisher and polish the whole truck. That way it would make the old paint pop like the new paint would. So I mean, it would be a 2-day project at least, bare minimum. But I mean, the body's fine. I mean, there's a couple minor dents on this thing, but as far as like big stuff, like there's one like right here, and then there's another small one right here. You can barely see them, but yeah, so I mean, I really wouldn't even worry about painting the rest of the truck. I'd probably paint this here to get rid of this. Another thing I want to do is I want to get this thing nice and shiny. I'm gonna look and see exactly how to do that. I feel like you could just polish this thing out too and get it nice and shiny. If any of you guys have ever done that, let me know. But look at this, I don't even have no tail lights either. What the freak's going on, man? What the freak, man? Looks like it's about time to go home, I guess. Huh, sure don't. I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah, I better get home. So yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. DIY or take it to a professional. In my opinion, I'd rather DIY it. Like I said, I can get the spray paint for $60 for 2 cans. And 2 cans should cover this, because spray paint, when you're spray painting stuff, I mean, you want to do a light coat. Typically 2 to 3 coats will cover this thing good. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys decide. What do you guys want to see? Professionally done or me do it myself? Drop a comment and let me know. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Go ahead and hit that like button, because I mean, it's an OBS. You can't not like an OBS. And look how clean it looks. Just don't look at the hood. But yeah, if you like this video, hit the sub button, like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.